So friends, we have got the tutorial number 264 today. This is an exercise based on what we did yesterday. So let's ask questions about subject, about object, about direct object and about object of the proposition. First one is, he will build the cat. Subject, who will build the cat? Object, whom will he build? Okay, whom will he build? Question mark, of course. Prasad saw a ghost. Who saw a ghost? Prasad saw a ghost. What did Prasad see? Prasad saw a ghost. Next, he is playing chess. Who is playing chess? He is playing chess. What is he playing? He is playing chess. They went to school to meet the principal. Who went to the school to meet the principal? They went to the. Why did they go to the school? They went to the school to meet the principal. Why did do insertion? She gave a book to her friend. Who gave a book to her friend? She gave a book to her. What did she give? She gave a book. Direct object. To whom did she give? Indirect object. That is, indirect object is the, say here it is also it is to her friend is the object of the preposition also. So therefore we can say, to whom did she give a book? And next 6, they bought the apples from the market in the morning. So who bought the apples? They bought the apples. And then what did they buy? They bought the apples. What did they buy? From where did they buy the apples in the morning? From the market. And when did they buy the apples from the market? They bought the apples from the market in the morning. So you can ask questions like this. So you have who, what, where and when. You can ask these questions. He came with me. With me. Me. That is object of a proposition with. So, who came with me? He came with me. Who came with you? He came with me. Send it. With whom did he come? With whom did he come? He came with me. Okay. He was reading a book. Who was reading? He was reading. What was he reading? He was reading a book. That is direct object. They were living in a town. In a town. Who were living in the town? In a town? They were living in the town. Where were they living? They were living in a town. He went for films twice a week. Yes. Twice a week. He went for film twice a not clear? Okay. Twice a week. Who went for? He went for film. Then how often? How often did he go? He went for a film twice a week. How often did he go? That is frequency. Next, they have traveled miles and miles by now. Who have traveled? They have traveled. How far have they traveled? They have traveled miles and miles. Distance. He got up at 5 a.m. Who got up at 5 a.m.? He got up. When did he get up? He got up at 5 a.m. time. Now they wasted a lot of money. Who wasted a lot of money? They wasted. Then, how much they wasted? Or how much money they wasted? How much money did they waste? Sorry. So, how much money did they waste? They wasted much money, quantity. He donated his property to an orphanage. Who donated? He donated. What did he donate? Donated property to the orphanage, to an orphanage. To whom did he donate? He donated his property to an orphanage. He dictated notes to the students. Who dictated? She dictated. Dictated what? What did she dictate? She dictated notes to the student. To whom did she dictate notes? She dictated notes to the students. So this way you can ask. Subject, you can ask subject, you can ask about object, you can ask about indirect object, you can ask about object of a preposition. Like with me, very simple. He came with me. Me is the object of the preposition with. Because come is an intransitive verb, but here is an object. The preposition has an object. So you can say with whom. Hope now it is clear. All the other thing I hope you have understood. That is how to make a question. What is the role of the WH word? Where should you place the WH word? And then how to choose a WH word? It depends. Something what, place, where, time, when, reason or cause, why, the way, the manner, how, subject, person, who, object, whom, and possessive, whose. So then you have got choosing which. Again you have got how many number, how much quantity, how far distance, how long time. Then what is missing? How often? How often is frequency. He went for films, or he went to church every day. How often did he go to church? That is the frequency. I think it is clear to you, okay? Fine? So, thank you, but before leaving, let us see, speak not in public, gather not in public, wander not in public, entertain not in public, to protect our private life. So if I protect my private life, I will be automatically protecting the private lives of all the people. Survival question, my dear friends, so please take things seriously. We will have to live with this killer virus, at least for some more time, till we have an effective medicine or a vaccine. But we will not lose heart, be optimistic. The day will dawn with all the glory, and we will be able to meet, come together, assemble, entertain, and then ceremonies, conduct ceremonies and all those things. So till then, bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life.